In this video, we will see how to do listing optimization effectively. Yes friends, listing optimization is one of the building blocks of Amazon business. When you start your business, listing optimization is the crucial part. So we have to learn how to do it effectively. So let's get started. Friends, there are two parts of listing optimization. One is called front end and the second one is called back end. So if you want your listing get optimized effectively, you have to optimize both of the two parts. Let's say we have front end. If you can see on the screen, I have an example, reusable cotton pads, and you can see here it is called front end of any listing. Okay, so in front end, first of all, we have title on the top. You can see this one is title and these are images, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 images, and seventh is a video. Okay, if you are brand registered, okay, we will talk about it later. So these images and title, and these ones are bullets, 1 2 3 4 and 5 bullets, and for every category it varies. So here it is allowed 5 bullets, and these are okay, mostly here we describe the benefits and features. And here you can see we have the EBC, enhanced brand content. Okay, and okay, so this is called front end. And in some cases you will see that like say I go to this listing, you can see here we have title, images, bullets, but here we don't have EBC. Instead we have product description. Okay, likewise in this listing we can see that we have EBC, not the description. Okay, here in EBC we can use both images and text. Okay, and in this example you can see that we have title, bullets, and here we have product description rather than we have EBC. So friends, you saw that title, bullets, description, EBC content and images are the part of front end. So in two examples we saw that we have EBC, and in two examples we saw that we have product description. Okay, but here we have EBC. So EBC, I have told you that it is a mixture of images and text. You can put here lifestyle images, infographics images, and text on the images, or text separately. Like in this you can see there text is separately written. Okay, so EBC is allowed when you are brand registered. Otherwise you are allowed to put product description. If you have both product description and EBC, then EBC is dominant to the product description and it will be shown there. Okay, so this is called front end. Title, bullets, description, EBC, images, these are called mostly front end. Now we see what is back end. Minds is these systems. These systems are only known as backend systems, and that we have to put here the keywords or long tail keywords or relevant high search volume keywords that we cannot use in the front end. So we use all of these those keywords in systems without repetition. So I would like to tell you that these systems are not only backend. Okay, there are a lot of things in here that you have to fill to complete your backend part of the listing optimization. So I tell you how we will do this part of listing optimization. We can do this by category listing report. Yes, you are right. I am talking about category listing report. You can download this category listing report from your Seller Central. In this category listing report, you can see there are many columns. Okay, and every column is related to almost your category in which you are selling your product. When you will download this category listing report, it will contain your current ASIN in the category that you will select, and we will see in the next videos and look at this category listing report, how it works and how to fill this. Okay, so here you can see that let's say I have number of PCs 1. It is filled in the category listing report, but other columns are not filled in the category listing report, but they are important to fill. In this way, our backend will be completed when we complete these columns that are necessary related to our product. Okay, so when we go to the Seller Central, we select the category and we download this report, and then after completing the empty columns, then we have to re-upload the listing to Amazon. Okay, so for this we use the metric file or flat file that you see here, and we use actually the almost same category listing report, but here we have to put the parts of our category listing report that we have filled now. Okay, then we re-upload this, and how we will upload this, we actually everything we will see in the next video with complete descriptions. So here I just want to tell you in this video that there are two parts. One is front end and second one is back end, and we ignore the backend, and we only think that the search terms is the only thing that is backend node. It is not right. There are a lot of things that you can see in this category listing report that are related to the backend, and everything has to be filled with accurate value. So you can see a lot of it, and here are values for some of the columns, and there are the definitions for each a huge amount of columns that relate to our category, and it contains our ASIN too. You can see in this category listing report it contains my ASIN, my data that I have filled so far, and you can also see what are the columns that are not filled so far, and we need to fill them to complete our backend. So friends, if you want your listing get optimized well, increase the discoverability, surely you want to increase your ranking, your BSR, your sales, your business, then you have to first complete your listing. There are two things we have watched. One is front end and second is back end. Mostly we ignore the back end, and we also don't properly optimize the front end too. So in the next videos you will see how to properly optimize the front end, how to properly optimize the back end in order to convert the customer that will land on our listing. So I hope you understand that. If you are needed any help regarding listing optimization, if you are a seller, you can contact me through my WhatsApp, through my Instagram, LinkedIn. I have put the links in the description. You can contact me, and I will surely help you out in any problem that you are facing your listings. And the next videos we will see the next important parts of the listing optimization with complete explanation one by one. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.